Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. So here and now, I will be showing you our camper van that we are using on most of our recent trips. So hop on and I'll show you around. We have the California Ocean Gray 2019 from Volkswagen in silver and in blue. We also have an additional box at the back of the car from Thule where we store our additional equipments like our beach umbrellas, mats, shoes, and more. The box has also two buckles to secure it. And now let's take a look at how it looks from the inside. Dang da dang! This is what it looks. On my left side is a convertible seat bed so you can sleep here inside the car. Here at the bottom is a storage room so you can organize your things. And a small compartment on its side. Here is also a foldable table that you can swipe in the middle so you can prepare your food and enjoy your meal as well. These two grips are practical to hang your kitchen towels. And this here is a tiny trash bin and can also serve as your bottle holder. Then it has a two-door cabinet to store your provisions, silver and kitchenwares. It also has a button on the side to switch on and off the inner lights. For your charging and appliances, not a problem. You have an onboard power too. And here on the side is a small fridge to store your refreshments and your food. Here in the middle is a small gas range which has two burners. You can also open these small windows to get some fresh air inside the car. We have a small sink to fetch some water to wash your vegetables and fruits and your kitchenwares. And that is Mr. Handyman. He is so busy configuring our internet.
Best friend.
There is also a small cabinet on this side and at the back of the car to organize your things and your necessities. It also has a small vanity mirror by its door. We also maximize the space here on the top by placing a shelf board to store our books and small stuffs and to put some decorations as well. Here is an additional pull-out compartment to store your clothes and other materials. For your privacy, all sides of the van has its privacy blinds. When you press the button, the roof deck will be opened and voila, you'll get your second bedroom on the top of the car. These two front seats are also rotatable. Outside has also a canopy or a tent that you can open, so you have an outside extension and well protected from the heat of the sun. And by the way, this also came with our second stowaway table, which is kept by the door, as well as two chairs at the back door. This is what we see at the back of the van. We also customize it by installing a pull-out drawer for our boxes. There is also a small cabinet at the back of the car and a shower as well. Now let's prepare the bed by pulling the seat and converting it into a bed. Insert the buckles on both sides and now pull the mattress. Voila! You have a bed inside. So this is now the inner bed, the opened deck, and the interior inside. And lastly, this is what you see when the canopy or the tent outside is fetched. Thank you so much guys for watching my camper van tour. And please don't forget to click like and subscribe and comment in the comment section below for more videos to come. Bye!